I be loving something about the Wild Wild West. But, man, it's 70 miles an hour on this back road. I'm fixing to show y'all. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I got about 287 left before I get to my cousin Robin's. I love you, Robin. I'm on my way. But, I'm finally out. I got a late start. It's 9 o'clock. So, but they're smoking a pork butt for me, and gonna cook me a hell of a dinner, and I can't wait. But check out these roads in this country, y'all. 70 miles an hour, 75 on some of them. Crazy. There's nothing here, of course. I mean, I kind of can understand, because it's like